Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude to generate writing with better ideas and maybe a little bit of help. This is done by creating prompts that are very easy to use and replicate, which you can use when you are a writer and need ideas or inspirations. First, you should be logging into your Claude account in the following link. Make sure you are in a new chat so that you start practically a blank page. Remember that the thinking model is the most important thing depending of your reasoning mode, and then you can just provide a bit of context. In this case, the prompt is the following. Act as a professional writer and with narrative experience, give me 20 original ideas for a story about topic. Each idea must include a 2 or 3 line premise, the main conflict, and an unexpected element that makes it distinct. And in the topic section, these brackets where it says topic, you can replace it with your preferred subject. In this case, I'm going to choose the jungle. You can pick whichever topic or idea you like best. In fact, you can use it to improve all your stories. Here, I'm just going to click start and wait to see what its response is. We can see that it gives us error, right? It says first, silence that works, and it will give us 20 ideas based on what we ask for. Now we have this prompt. This one say it will help us design completely original characters. So the following is design a completely original character, include name, age, physical appearance, personality, virtues and flaws, readers for fear, main objective, important backstory, quirks, manner of speaking, evolution through the story. In this section, where it says include the following by bullet points, we can customize them with whatever details we need for our characters. In this case, these are the requirements I ask for each character. Likewise, you can ask for more details or be a little more general depending on whether you want a much deeper character or something along those lines. Let's say this response to this prompt designed to help us create original characters. We can see that it created a character named Custodio Reyes Amin. Name, age, physical appearance, personality, it will generate everything we ask for. This is a very practical way to use Claude for creative writing. And that's it.